Science, Unit 7, DCA. Number 1. Which of the following statements is an example of weather data rather than information about climate? A. In New York City, the average winter temperature between January and February is below freezing. B. San Antonio, Texas received 8 inches of rain last week. C. The coastal areas of Mexico have higher temperatures and more rainfall than the inland areas. D. Australia has an average annual rainfall of 16 inches. Two. Which of the following does not determine the climate of a location? A. The distance from the Earth's equator. B. The distance from a large body of water. C. The temperature measured on one single day. D. The rainfall measured over several years. Three. Which of the following statements is a description of climate rather than weather? A. The amount of daily precipitation this month has decreased as the temperature has increased. B. The wind direction and wind speed changed as a cold front moved through the area. C. Last year the temperature in July was higher than the temperature in June. D. The annual precipitation has decreased significantly over many decades. Four. Several steps occur for the water cycle to deliver water from the ocean to areas of land that are farther inland. Which of the following shows the steps in order that they happen? A. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. B. Condensation, evaporation, precipitation. C. Evaporation, precipitation, condensation. D. Precipitation, condensation, evaporation. Five. The description of Florida below best represents, due to the location of Florida on Earth, it should be a desert, but instead is a temperate forest. This is caused by the surrounding warm water that makes Florida a peninsula. The rainfall in Florida has an average 40 to 70 inches of rain each year for the past 30 years. The description of Florida below best represents A. Florida's weather. B. Florida's wind patterns. C. Florida's climate. D. Florida's jet stream. Number 6. The picture below shows the water cycle: sun, clouds, ocean, land, river, rain. Which of the following does not describe what happens in the water cycle? A. Water moves continuously above and on the Earth's surface. B. Clouds cause the evaporation of water from the ocean. C. Water from the ocean becomes rain on land. D. Energy for the water cycle is provided by the sun. Number 7. The sun causes water to accumulate in the ocean because of rain. Evaporation is a result of the sun causing water to leave the ocean. Which of the following describes the interaction between the sun and ocean? A. The sun is always decreasing the levels of the ocean. B. The sun is always changing the level of the ocean. C. The sun never changes the level of the ocean. D. The sun is always increasing the level of the ocean. Eight. A group of students recorded the daily temperature every day for 1 week in November. They used their data to create the graph below. November temperature data. Temperature in Fahrenheit: 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. November the 10th, 2013. November 11, 2013. November 12, 2013. November 13, 2013. November 14, 2013. November 15, 2013. November 16, 2013. Data recorded. According to their data, what was the difference in degrees Fahrenheit between the highest and lowest temperatures for the week? A. 65 degrees. B. 20 degrees. C. 45 degrees. D. 35 degrees. Nine. This photograph shows a beach on a cloudy day. Which of the following is an interaction between the sun and the ocean that results in the clouds forming near the ocean, near the beach? A. Energy from the sun causes precipitation over the ocean. B. Energy from the sun causes water to evaporate from the ocean. C. Light from the sun reflects off the surface of the ocean. D. Light from the sun decreases the amount of water vapor in the air over the ocean. Number 10. The diagram above shows the process of evaporation over the ocean. What is the most likely effect of this process on the land areas nearby? Ocean, evaporation, wind, land. A. Drought conditions. B. Less erosion of the shoreline. C. Precipitation. D. Decreased solar energy. What is the most likely effect of this process on the land areas nearby?